315.
We're just looking for somebody in the area that...
Can I have your badge number?
Sure, 488.
And your name?
Bousman, B-O-U-S-M-A-N. What's the nature of your investigation?
Just videotaping for my protection.
Okay. What are you worried about?
I don't know, just, you know, my safety.
14, I'll tell you what, I'll roll my camera, that way we both are protected.
Alright, that's cool.
Sounds good. Last name Ison, Ida Sam, Ocean Nora, first name Jesse Common, middle W, white male, 043092, 43092. Yeah, the issue is we, a couple things missing from the lot, so we're just kind of stopping up anybody that's in the area. But you didn't see anything or anything?
Nah.
Cool. How's Topper treating you?
Pretty good.
Good job?
Yeah. Long nights.
I hear you. Nights will do it.
108 to 114, 1061.
Brett.
Could I have your badge number?
What's up?
Could I have your badge number?
Sure, 497.
And your name?
Ernst.
Jesse just got done working on Toppers.
Okay. What time did you get off?
About 3:15.
Busy night?
No.
No.
114, your information.
Right.
Structural permit CAD shows 961. Go on.
Jesse,
Yep.
free to go.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a good one. Brought 4 cops. And the paddy wagon. There's a 30 on the back of there. I don't know what that means. Just walking down the street. Oh, and another cop. They're all over this place. They're still back there, you know, in the middle of the road.